Today's another episode of Let's Try Purple Hair. Okay, so we already did this video with Joico, and I'll leave a link for that below as well and above for that video. I actually got that at Walmart, so although it's not a cheap shampoo at all, I got it more affordably than I think it is any other place. It's cheaper at Walmart. This one I did get at Ulta, and it was not cheap, but it was recommended by a hairdresser friend. It is the Paul Mitchell Platinum Blonde Shampoo. So I actually think the Joico did a really good job, but I do just still have a lot of brassiness in here, so I think I'm going to do the same thing with this. So I'm going to do just this straight on my hair for a half an hour, and then, you know, wash it out as usual. I'm not sure if I'm going to use conditioner. I'll let you know if I do, just because, you know, it'll just depend on how my hair feels after rinsing it out. But if you look, my roots are really ashy, but the parts in the front that are, I think, dyed and damaged the most are the ones that have a lot of honey, warm tones to them. And it's not bad at all, but I would love to tone it down, and I'm one of those people that if I got a tinge of purple, I'd be cool with it. Get it? Cool toned. Anyways, Elizabeth says hi. So we're going to give this a shot and see how it goes. Let's get started. I'm like playing peekaboo with her. Sorry. Okay, so here's my usual setup. Ooh, this smells like watermelon. Oh, I like it. Okay. Okay, so it looks like all purple shampoos. So here we are after, and I have to tell you guys, so not only does this stuff smell delicious, I didn't eat it, I'm just saying it smells delicious. It smells like fake sorry. It smells like fake watermelon. You know what I mean? Like watermelon that's really, really sweet. That's kind of like the fake smell of watermelon. Anyway, it smells delicious. It is not damaging at all. My hair feels so smooth and soft. I did not use a conditioner because when I rinsed it out, it felt smooth, so I didn't feel like I needed to. So again, I'll leave a link for this below. I'll do a little price check as much as I can and see what the cheapest price is that I could find for it, so I'll leave that link for you guys. But again, if you have like a coupon or something, it's certainly worth it because it's not cheap, but it does not feel damaging at all. It doesn't feel like it dried my hair out or anything. I didn't put any conditioner in. And I'll put up the before and after this because, you know, I feel like it did do some lightening, but I really can't tell how much. just because I just looked at it, you know, so I will definitely leave pictures and you guys tell me what you think. But yeah, not damaging at all, so that's amazing. That's wonderful. And it did not suds up as well as the Joico one. Like I needed more of it, but I still, I mean, that doesn't really affect my opinion of it as far as like how well it did, you know. I just, I don't see any lavender tones, but I know that like my roots and the back part, which doesn't really get very damaged, sorry guys, I think came out really light, and then the front parts are more golden because that's just, you know, I straighten those parts and they're just more damaged. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you have a great week.